Number 1. Ford Highboy, 1966 year of issue. The 1966 Ford Highboy is a vintage 4R4 truck from the Ford F-Series lineup. It's known for its rugged design, high ground clearance, and off-road capabilities. Engine options typically included a V8 or inline-6, paired with a manual transmission. These trucks are valued for their durability and are popular among collectors and off-road enthusiasts. Links to listings below. Number 2. Ford Model A, 1932 year of issue. The 1932 Ford Model A, also known as the Deuce, is an iconic vehicle that followed the Model T. It featured a classic design with a distinct grille, rounded fenders, and a longer hood. Powered by a 201 cubic inch inline-4 engine and a 3-speed manual transmission, it offered modern features like hydraulic shock absorbers. Popular among collectors and hot rod enthusiasts, the Model A's legacy includes its influence on American automotive culture and the development of custom cars. You're looking at a 1932 Ford project. Sitting on a Model A frame with a Model A bed. Someone was working on it to turn it into a rat rod. It has a V6 and automatic transmission. Number 3. Ford Galaxie 500, 1961 year of issue. The 1961 Ford Galaxie 500 was a stylish and powerful full-size car, featuring a sleek design with a distinctive grille and chrome accents. It offered a range of engine options, including a potent 390 cubic inch V8. With modern features like power steering and optional air conditioning, it was popular among consumers and remains a sought-after classic car today. (1961) Ford Galaxie 500 4-door sedan has the 223 inline-6 engine. This car has sat for so long that the engine is likely stuck. Body has the usual Minnesota rust. Floor pans needs repair. Could not get in the trunk. Needs total restoration. Would look a lot nicer if it were pressure washed. It is winter here, so we could not do so. no title, asking $1,800. Number 4. Cadillac Calais. 1973 year of issue. The 1973 Cadillac Calais was a luxurious full-size car known for its elegant design, spacious interior, and smooth ride. It was powered by a V8 engine and offered a range of comfort and convenience features typical of Cadillac's premium offerings. Despite its large size, the Calais was praised for its handling and comfort, making it a popular choice among luxury car buyers during that era. (1973) Cadillac Calais two-door coupe has a 472 V8 with an automatic transmission. The previous owner had this car running about 3 years ago before he sold them to the person we bought it from. We have not tried starting it. Car has its usual rust. Mostly complete, would make a great project, asking $2,000. Number 5. Chevrolet Corvair. 1961 year of issue. The 1961 Chevrolet Corvair was a compact car with a rear-engine air-cooled design. It gained attention for its unique styling and innovative engineering, including independent suspension. Despite initial success, it faced controversy due to safety concerns that led to reforms in automotive regulations. If you are looking for an affordable rampside project, this might be the truck for you. While it is no cream puff, structurally it is solid. Recently, the truck has had a good used, cleaned out fuel tank installed, new brake shoes, wheel cylinder, rubber lines, and the shoes turned. While the drivetrain is not installed, the truck would come with a rebuildable 80 HP Corvair engine.